Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019, and tomorrow is the big day. It's day one of our state testing. Looking at homework for this evening, and we have practice 15.3, which for first, third, and fourth periods will be due tomorrow afternoon. Seventh and eighth period, yours is due Thursday. In honors math, lesson 14.1 will be due on Thursday. For Google Classroom, you need to check that because there is an extra credit opportunity for math. In science and social studies, there is no homework. And in language arts, please go through and review the online resources and the handouts for our ELA air tests on Wednesday and Thursday. Just a reminder of where that is located. We pull up here, you can do the quizzes game. All right, we can look at the expository essay review with these different PDF links, as well as our persuasive essay review. Those are things that we can go and take a look at. Also, just a few reminders for tomorrow. Number one, make sure you get to bed early tonight. Number two, plug that Chromebook in before you go to bed. Number three, don't forget an AR book as well as pencils. We need writing utensils. And make sure that when you get up in the morning that you do have a good, nice breakfast. That's going to be it for today. We will see everyone tomorrow.